world where sustainability, individuality, and style collide, the Thrifting Hall of Fame stands as a testament to the power of embracing pre-loved fashion and the joy of discovering hidden gems. With our inaugural class now immortalized in thrifting history, we are continuing our pursuit for the best thrifters in the province. This is a tribute and a salute to the trailblazers who have revolutionized the way we think about secondhand treasures. The inductees for the 2023 class are: for DIY of the Year, Marie Carson. From Tomahawk, Alberta, Marie's DIY projects focus on using reclaimed materials and thrifting for items they did not have readily available. Her signature project was renovating a storage shed into a beautiful cabin, making it an amazing livable space. It's amazing what can be done on a budget and as a savvy thrifter. For antique finds, Shelby Deep. Based out of Edmonton, Shelby is fueled by the thrill of the chase. Going from Goodwill to Goodwill, there is excitement to be found in finding unique antiques and collectibles. Some of her most prized antiques and collectibles include various Hot Wheels, action figures, and home decor. For home decor hero, Nancy Addy. From Calgary, Nancy is a passionate thrifter in the home decor space. She has upcycled countless thrift flips, from cabinets to coffee tables. Some of her favorites include flipping a cabinet into a display hutch for cowboy boots and all things Stampede. It's all about having a vision to bring something to life. For Donor of the Year, the Goodwill Grandma, Ellie Grosenick. Giving is not just about making a donation, it's about making a difference. Known in Calgary as the Goodwill Grandma, for years Ellie has been making a difference by donating her usable clothing and home goods. Never one to throw stuff out, Ellie knows all the little things that can make a house a home. She is happy knowing her generosity can be giving someone else a hand up and allowing them to build precious memories of their own. For fashionable finds, Grace Quinn. From Calgary, Grace has a love for sustainable fashion. She has helped bring awareness and style to her community, enabling people to be more conscious about their wardrobe style choices. According to her friends, she has the best drip. Period. She's everyone's hype girl and never stops trying to make waves in sustainable fashion. For the People's Choice Award, Robbie Gibson. From Edmonton, Robbie's fan base spoke loud and often about having him inducted into this year's Hall of Fame. As an avid thrifter and donor, he is selfless, passionate, and not only thrifts for the deal, but for the betterment of society. His heart of gold resonates with our community, and his positivity inspires others to make a greater impact in our province. Congratulations to the Goodwill Thrifting Hall of Fame Class of 2023. Your contributions, achievements, and innovations will be inspiration for future generations. Thank you once again for your support of the Goodwill Thrifting Hall of Fame, honoring local thrift excellence.